Alright, welcome to another multi-tool unboxing. This has just arrived from Amazon, so it's something a bit different, so I thought I'd go for it and see what it's like. Bit of a wild one, so let's have a look. So this is the MQ-039 lifetime warranty, apparently. I don't believe that for a second. I got this one because it seemed a bit different from your standard. You'll see what I mean in a second. So it comes in a case, feels quite heavy. It's got some instructions there. I'm sure I'll be able to work out what that means. So comes with a bit kit, and here it is. It's quite a weight to that. That's not like your normal everyday carry. That's quite bulky. But let's see what it's got. So it's got a one-hand opening blade. Quite nice. Feels fairly sharpish. Opens up quite easily, and yeah, you could even flick it open. So that's alright, liner lock. Then we've got a Phillips screwdriver and bottle opener, and I believe the bit kit that you can fit the extender or adapter, whatever you want to call it, on. Can't get it out. Let's use the pliers. Opens up the end. I didn't think it would, to get this out. There we go. We'll come back to the pliers. That's magnetised because it just felt hard to get it off the end there. So let's get that back out again. And there's the adapter, as you can see. So that fits on quite securely. And if you want to put one of these in, there we go. I suppose it's a bit loose, but better than nothing. But yeah, it gives you quite a reach there. So you can go back in. So yeah, that seems decent 3D screwdriver, rather than the flat ones you normally get with leatherman. So nothing more on that side. And then we have a saw, which is also lockable. That feels very sharp indeed. Liner lock there. Got a ruler, if you can see that. And then it's got a whistle, which is a bit stiff to get out. Let me get one of my tools to open it, pull it out. So this is meant to be a ferro rod and whistle on the end, as you can see. Let's try it. That's alright actually. Yeah, that's not bad. So that goes back in there. And then the thing that makes this different is, let's see how it opens. So I forgot about the main bit, the pliers. These are bronze pliers. They feel very little bit of wiggle on. I was going to say replaceable wire cutters, but as you can see on there, they're like riveted in. So you can't replace them. I don't really see the point in that. Oh, it's a bit pointless. No way to get them off. Useless. The plier heads close pretty well. right at the end there's no gap as such. Nicely sprung, and there you go. I believe the magic happens once you open this screwdriver, because then somehow, really I should look into how this works. Aha, there we go. This comes off, and then you have a pair of very, very large scissors. Look, this is the original PST, and as you can see, pretty much the same size these scissors are, side by side. This is a modded one, it's got no blade in it. That's the file there. But yeah, oh, those take some squeezing. They're sprung as well, and they seem very nice and powerful. I like the feel of them. Those are good scissors. But yeah, then that leaves that there. So you can fold this back up. I really like these scissors. A bit of a punch to them, that's for sure. And then I take it, yeah, it'd be that way, wouldn't it? Go like that, and then slip it on, and that's very secure. You can, with that up, sort of locks it in place. So I presume, let's try it. Yeah, you can still use the scissors like that, or if you're cutting along ring flat. Yeah, that's all right. That is quite like that. Size wise, it's got a jump on these scissors. Sidewise, let's try original PST in comparison. It's got a pocket clip added, so it's not too much bigger in length, but look at the thickness. So that is one width for that, and then you've got all of this left over. And then let's try with the Victorinox, which is much bigger, a little bit narrower, but much longer. Let's try it when it's open. A longer tool. You can see there, just about totally covers it. I like these pliers, they seem quite good. And here's a leatherman wave. Size comparison. That's the length, so this new tool's about 3mm bigger, 4mm bigger, something like that. The width considerably thicker, and the depth, as it were, considerably thicker. If I stick that there, you'd see, there we go. So not really for everyday carry, but very interesting nevertheless. I suppose we better compare the size with the pliers to the leatherman wave. So there we go. Once open, the new tool's about, what's that, about a centimetre difference. You can't really see on the camera, but yeah, it's about a centimetre difference. There we go. So if we had all of these out on the floor together, you can see the size difference between them all. And why not? There's a Victorinox for size comparison on just the one size. So yeah, that's a tinker, by the way. So yeah, you can see the size difference. Many thanks for watching.